Over 109,000 corrugated sheets processed. BM2508-Plus running at U.S. customer site. This BM2508-Plus box making machine has been in daily production since 2022. Our engineer is providing on-site guidance, including troubleshooting, maintenance, and advanced box design setup. We help customers learn how to produce special box styles and optimize machine performance. Reliable performance, long service life, and continuous production are what customers expect from Aopack. From installation to training to long-term support, we work together with our customers. Machine model BM2508-Plus, manufactured on June 10, 2022, still running stable today. Aopack box making machine, built for real production, built to last.